So if you work in HR, learning and development, or a people and culture type role, then you're probably thinking about employee engagement all the time, right? You're probably wondering, how can you keep team members motivated, engaged in their work, and to do that in a way that drives productivity and satisfaction, right? And so I think at PowerProv, we spend a lot of time thinking about this as well. And one of the first things that comes to mind for me is that we eliminate or help eliminate competition and really drive up collaboration.
Yeah.
And when everyone's feeling collaborative and unified, like they're part of the same team chasing a common goal, that sort of creates opportunities for a new level and a new kind of engagement that doesn't typically exist.
Oh, well, you're being totally supported as well. It's amazing when you're in a room with people and you feel supported, what ideas come out.
Yeah.
And when you're not being judged by each other, there's no competition, how well you can work together and how ideas can grow and expand.
Totally.
And take a different direction that you had no plan.
Yeah, that's right.
Which is what I love about improv too. It's having an idea I think might be okay, watching it, I put it out there amongst a group, and then seeing where it can take off is very exciting. Yeah.
Yeah, and you have to create that safe space first, right, for people to throw that first idea out. Because we've all been in a meeting where someone goes, "Hey, what if we went to do this thing?" And someone goes, they're too expensive, or the client will never go for that.
Yeah.
Or
shut down.
Yeah.
People aren't going to offer ideas as much.
Yeah. The next person with an idea is going to be like, I'm not putting one. So we talk a lot about divergent and convergent thinking in our workshops, which if you want to know more about, get in touch. But basically, if you want to increase employee engagement, then you have to create the foundation for it to kind of happen in the first place, which is that ensemble mindset, that we not me attitude, the very supportive, collaborative environment. And then once that's established, you give people the tools and techniques to innovate and collaborate and communicate inside it. And then, engagement goes off the charts, and productivity and hopefully profits do too.
Yeah.